Hindi ako sikat sa bayan ko, pero patok ako sa iba. Real talk para sa mga entrepreneurs. 4 years na ako sa aking business, pero hanggang ngayon, hindi ako kilala sa aking lugar. Pero guess what? Sold out ako sa Benguet, sa Baguio, sa mga resellers, at sa mga online orders. Kaya kung nararanasan mo rin ito, stay with me. This is for entrepreneurs who feel unsupported, overlooked, or unrecognized in their own community. You're not alone. And you're not doing anything wrong. I'll share with you why this happens, what I learned, and how I turned this problem into a business strength. I'm Marisa Martinez from Montaños Gift Fruit Teas. We make locally sourced fruit teas, no sugar added, and these are fruit teas from the highlands. We dehydrate lemon, dragon fruits, pineapple, and other fruits from other nearby provinces and turn them into a thoughtful gift and wellness drinks. All proudly made in the mountains of Bontoc Mountain Province. Nung nagsimula kami, ang goal namin is tangkilikin ng sariling komunidad. So, we try to post to local groups, nag-display sa aming stores, at nag-supply din sa ibang cafes or sa stores. Pero ang resulta, tahimik. Ilang sales lang or minsan matagal na maubos. Nakaka-discourage minsan, tas lalo kung may nagtanong pa bakit ang mahal daw ng tsaa. Minsan, mas better daw yung fresh fruits. Mga ganong comments. Pero habang lumilipas ang panahon, doon namin napansin na halos yung mga customers namin ay galing sa labas. Usually from Baguio, from other provinces, sa NCR. Usually kapag pinopost namin siya online at nag-order sila online. Dati may Shopee rin kami, may Lazada, pero hindi muna namin continue. At dito kami sa Facebook page namin, nakafocus. May mga resellers na gustong magpa-ship and sa mga feedback na nakukuha namin sa mga customers na, oh, pwede pala siyang pangregalo. And it hit me. Maybe my market here is not yet ready. And as of now, maybe my market isn't here. And it's okay. So, as a fellow entrepreneur, here's what I want you to remember. Your location doesn't define your potential. Yes, you can be planted in one place, but your purpose can grow somewhere else. Of course, ang mahalaga, may produkto ka na may value at may mga tao na nakaka-appreciate niyan, kahit hindi sila ang mga kapitbahay mo. I believe a good business is not just about location. It is listening to where your market really is. Ito yun eh. Hindi porket hindi ka tangkilikan sa inyong lugar, palpak na. It just means may ibang audience ang product mo. Hindi mo lang nakikita kung sino talaga yung target market mo. For me, it took me years actually to meet my target market. The real enemy here is not your community, of course. It is the voice in your head telling you to quit. Kahit maulan, kahit minsan walang harvest, kahit out of stock ang mga prutas, we keep going. Because one message, one order, one smiling customer can change everything. If you're building a business and you're feeling the same way, don't give up. Let's talk. Drop a comment or share this to our fellow negosyante who needs to hear this today. Again, uulitin ko, hindi mo kailangang maging sikat sa iyong lugar para maging successful. You just have to stay rooted and keep growing where you are cold. Every sip is a connection to home, and every pouch we pack is a proof that we can thrive, even quietly. Kaya tuloy lang.